transmitted at the request of the Nashville government. A reported unknown amount of 911 calls is taking place in Nashville and areas around Nashville. If you have an emergency, dial 711246923 to immediately use 911 calls for life-threatening messages.
Okay, 911 telephone outage emergency. Okay. Just cannot call 911 unless absolute necessary messages. Just dial, I don't know, oh well. 5 minutes later. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nashville government. The unknown message why there is a bunch of 911 calls that have been called throughout the past 5 minutes have now been identified. A creature that is 7 feet tall, weighs 326 pounds, and the weight is 200. Wait, I already told you the weight, but green shirt and leather pants has been attacking people and abducting children. His name is Marcus Mark Alevy. If you see this creature, please dial 911. As 911 telephones are now back on.